Coach. Welcome sa Team RM family and I want na i-congratulate ka dahil nagsimula ka na dito sa ating Coffee But Better. That's why napapanood mo ako ngayon o napapakinggan mo ko kasi right after your sa pag-avail ng ating coffee business, ito na yung next step na papanoorin mo na training video from me. So once again, welcome sa family natin sa Team RM family. Kung medyo nakalimutan mo ako, Coach, I'm Ran Makadangdang. Ako yung speaker doon sa business forum and I am your grand mentor dito sa Team RM family natin. Alright, so ngayon, Coach, naalala mo ba sa Coffee But Better, doon sa presentation, meron tayong sinasabi na 3 easy steps para kumita ka ng 200,000 up to 200,000 monthly. Tama? Yan yung nasa presentation ko. So ngayon, yung step 1 natin, that's choosing your initial stocks kung magkano. So ngayon, nakapili ka na niyan, tama? Kaya mo ako napapanood. Pwede kang naging Sapphire, Emerald, or Platinum, or the reseller package natin. So once again, congratulations, Coach. And step number 2 natin, nabanggit ko dun sa presentation natin, is training. Well, ito na yung first training na mapapanood mo sa akin. So ngayon, sa training natin na to, okay, may natanggap ka na franchise account or online shop mo. Tama? Yung franchise account, diyan na de-deposit or lahat ng kinita mo, diyan na pupunta, even the marketing materials, diyan mo siya pwedeng kunin. Okay? And yung online shop naman, yan yung dropshipping business na kapag may gusto mag-order sa'yo, bigay mo lang yung online shop mo, diyan na kusa sila mag-order, diyan na rin sila magbabayad. Yung dalawa na yung Coach, yung franchise account and online shop, ang magbibigay po niyan sa'yo yung sponsor mo. And I believe nabigay na niya sa'yo yan. Tama? Okay. Next, Coffee But Better. Ngayon, bakit mas maganda yung coffee natin? GM, na-discuss mo na yan last time. Tama? Gusto lang kita ulit i-remind. Bakit mas maganda yung coffee natin? And ano pa? Di-discuss ko rin sa inyo kung ano yung mga recipe. Ano yung recipe ng hot, ice, and frap. Gusto mo ba yun? Siyempre, you will start a coffee business, dapat alam mo yung timpla, ano yung mga kailangan mong mga ingredients, tama? So, with that, Coach, meron akong prepare na video for this one. Kindly watch this video, Coach, ha?
Welcome to the good life. Before we begin, we would like to thank everyone here for celebrating another milestone for JC. We are all witnesses to the success of our very famous JC Organic Barley. We are very familiar with its long list of benefits, including its 17 minerals, 16 vitamins, 17 enzymes, 18 amino acids, and a lot more. Now, because we wanted to produce something that is consumed by many, we are now in the coffee market. But better. Introducing coffee, but better. Delicious coffee infused with JC Organic Barley. Here are the coffee, but better menus. JC Barley Signature Black Coffee. JC Barley Classic Blend Coffee. JC Barley Mocha Blend Coffee. JC Barley Latte, JC Barley Signature Black Coffee, JC Barley Classic Blend Coffee, JC Barley Mocha Blend Coffee, JC Barley Juice, JC Barley Latte, JC Barley Classic Blend Frap, JC Barley Mocha Blend Frap. How to make JC Barley Signature Black Coffee. Hot. Scoop 3.9 grams or 1 sachet of JC Barley Coffee Black Blend into the stainless shaker. Add 200 ml of hot water. Stir until the mixture dissolves. Transfer the coffee into the coffee, but better cup. Cover the cup with lid and it is now ready to serve. How to make JC Barley Classic Blend Coffee hot? Scoop 16 grams or 1 sachet of JC Barley Classic blend into the stainless shaker. Add 200 ml of hot water. Stir until the mixture dissolves. Transfer the coffee into the coffee but better cup. Cover the cup with lid and it is now ready to serve. How to make JC Barley Mocha Blend Coffee hot? Scoop 16.5 grams or 1 sachet of JC Barley Mocha, blend into the stainless shaker. Add 200 ml of hot water. Stir until the mixture dissolves. Transfer the coffee into the coffee but better cup. Cover the cup with lid and it is now ready to serve. How to make JC Barley Latte Coffee hot? Dissolve 3.2 grams or 1 sachet of JC Barley powder into 8-ounce coffee, but better cup with 50 ml cold water. Steam 200 ml of oat milk. Pour the steamed milk in the coffee but better cup. Transfer the coffee into the coffee but better cup. Cover the cup with lid and it is now ready to serve. How to make JC Barley Signature Black Coffee iced? Put 200 grams of ice into 12-ounce coffee but better cup. Dissolve 3.9 grams or 1 sachet of JC Barley Black Coffee in 150 ml of hot water. Pour the dissolved JC Barley Black Coffee in the 12-ounce coffee but better cup. Cover the cup with lid and it is now ready to serve. How to make JC Barley Classic Blend Coffee iced? Put 200 grams of ice into 12-ounce coffee but better cup. Dissolve 16 grams or 1 sachet of Barley Coffee Classic in 50 ml of hot water. Add 100 ml of cold water. Pour the dissolved Barley Coffee Classic in the 12-ounce coffee but better cup. Cover the cup with lid and it is now ready to serve. How to make JC Barley Mocha Blend Coffee iced? Put 200 grams of ice into 12-ounce coffee but better cup. Dissolve 16.5 grams of JC Barley Coffee Mocha in 50 ml of hot water. Add 100 ml of cold water. Pour the dissolved JC Barley Coffee Classic in the 12-ounce coffee, but better cup. Cover the cup with lid and it is now ready to serve. How to make JC Barley Juice iced? Put 200 grams of ice into 12-ounce coffee, but better cup. Dissolve the 3.2 grams or 1 sachet of JC Barley Juice powder into 250 ml of cold or room temperature water. Pour the mixture into coffee, but better cup. Seal, and it is now ready to serve. How to make JC Barley Latte Coffee iced? Put 200 grams of ice into 12-ounce coffee, but better cup. Dissolve the 3.2 grams or 1 sachet of JC Barley powder into 200 ml of cold or room temperature water. Add 200 ml of oat milk into coffee, but better cup. Then pour the dissolved barley powder. Seal, and it is now ready to serve. How to make JC Barley Classic Blend Frappe. Dissolve 16 grams or 1 sachet of JC Barley Classic coffee in 60 ml of hot water. Pour the dissolved JC Barley Coffee Classic into the blender. Blend it until slightly chunk. Pour the blended JC Barley Coffee Classic into the coffee but better cup. Garnish with whipped cream on top. Cover the cup with lid and it is now ready to serve. How to make JC Barley Mocha Blend Frappe. Dissolve 16 grams or 1 sachet of JC Barley Coffee Mocha in 60 ml of hot water. Pour the dissolved JC Barley Coffee Mocha into the blender. Blend it until slightly chunk. Pour the blended JC Barley Coffee Mocha into the coffee but better cup. Garnish with whipped cream on top and drizzle with chocolate syrup. Cover the cup with lid and it is now ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching. You can always go back and rewatch this video if you want to study on how to make our coffee but better menu. In the meantime, let's give a round of applause to our newly launched coffee but better. Thank you.
Ayun. So, congratulations, Coach. Napanood mo na yung ating menu guidelines kung paano ka makapagsimula na talaga na magnegosyo ng coffee business. Ayan na yung mga recipes natin. Don't worry, yung mga guidelines how to start yung recipes natin, lahat ng 'yan ibibigay ko sa inyo. Makukuha niyo yan sa mga team leader natin. Meron silang copy ng video, even itong mga menu natin. Lahat ng tong pinapakita ko sa inyo, magkakaroon kayo ng copy niyan. Ayan yung hot ice and prop natin, yung pricing. Even itong mga, ito, at least naka on text siya. Di ba kanina yung naka-video, ito on text naman. Ayan. Lahat ng yan, magkakaroon kayo ng copy. Even the price list, magkaroon kayo ng copy lahat yan. Ayan. So ngayon, alam mo na kung paano yung recipes natin. Alam mo na yung sa training natin ng online shop and yung franchise account mo. Now, let's go to step number 3. Yung use. Siyempre, coach, dito sa negosyo natin, you are drinking coffee, mag-change brand ka. Ako ang advice ko at ma-recommend ko, change brand, unhealthy coffee to healthy coffee. Kasi ang goal natin sa step 3 is kumita ka ng 30,000 pesos per month. Pwede na? Pandagdag. Kasi that's why we do the business. Kaya ka naman nag-avail ng coffee kasi gusto mong kumita buwan-buwan. Tama? So ngayon, yung step number 3 natin, napakasimple lang. Anong gagawin mo doon sa initial product stocks mo na nakuha? Di ba yung platinum franchise natin, platinum account, you get 20 boxes ng coffee. So ngayon, ang goal natin, yung 3 box ng coffee for your personal use. Use the product. 3 box yan. And yung 8 boxes naman, find 8 customer. Family, friends, relatives, office mate, acquaintance, i-alok mo sa kanya. Bentahan mo siya. Sabihin mo, nag-change brand ka, na ito yung iniinom mong kape, ngayon, nag-coffee but better ka. Ako, ang payo ko sa inyo guys, ikwento mo muna kung ano yung naramdaman mo. Not the benefit itself, but you sell it kung ano yung experience mo. Sabi nga, if you want to be a good seller or sales, ibenta mo yung nangyari, yung experience mo than the ingredients nung coffee natin or yung coffee but better natin. Ulitin ko ibenta mo, gamitin mo muna kung ano yung pakiramdam nung iniinom mo yung coffee natin, ano nangyari sa health mo, yun yung ibenta mo sa mga customer natin. Okay? Maliwanag? And lastly, maghanap ka ng 3 reseller. Sample, si Isa, si Fritzy, o si John, si Marife, etc. Igawin mo silang reseller kasi bakit? Meron ka naman discount na 40 to 60% na makukuha, tama? Sa total of boxes niyan, 20. Yan yung una mong gawin muna. Kasi why? Kailangan natin mag-build ng loyal customer. Kailangan natin maka-establish. Once you establish loyal customer, buwan-buwan yan magre-repeat order. At higit sa lahat, kapag nasarapan siya, ano tayo mga Pinoy usually? Kapag nasarapan tayo, chinichika natin sa iba, uy, ang sarap nitong coffee na iniinom ko ngayon, okay sa pakiramdam, naging healthy ako lalo, yung migraine ko, wala na, hindi na ako mina-migraine, o yung blood pressure ko, naging normal na, yung acidic ko, naging okay na rin. Nagigets nyo, once we build the loyal customer, buwan-buwan magre-repeat order, hindi lang yon, i-recommend pa niya sa nanay, sa tatay. May kaibigan yon, meron din kaibigan, yung kaibigan, may nanay and tatay, may kapatid, meron. Doon lalawak yung market mo sa coffee. Yan talaga yung tinuturo ko sa lahat. Yung isa, magiging marami yan kapag nagustuhan niya yung produkto and 100% magugustuhan niya yung produkto. Kaya yung concept natin, yung magbenta ka sa mga kaibigan mo, i-alok mo yung coffee natin and maghanap ka ng reseller para ma-establish natin yung goal natin na magiging 30,000 pesos ka monthly dito. Pwede na pandagdag, tama? Saan ka makakapulot ng 30,000? Tama? So, yan ang gagawin natin. 20 customers, 3 boxes. Kasi bakit? 10 sachet sa isang box. Tama? So, every day, umiinom siya ng isa. So, sa isang tao, makakonsume siya ng 3 box sa isang buwan. So, 60 boxes yan. Ang income mo sa per box, sabihin natin 500 pesos, you earn 30,000. Once you establish that, yung 20 customer, pwede maging 40 yan. Pwede maging 80 yan. Doon na palaki ng palaki yung magiging income mo. Tagawa mo, coach, ang importante, meron kang masimulan kagad. Kaya nga meron kang initial product na hawak. Diba? Iba pa yung online shop. Paano ka mag-market doon? Iba pa yun, coach. Meron pa tayong mga series of training paano mo ima-market naman yung online shop mo. Ito, for now, yung hawak mo munang product inventory, yun muna kagad ubusin natin. Okay? So ngayon pa lang, gusto na kitang i-congratulate, Coach, dahil I know magiging successful ka dito sa Coffee But Better natin with the guidance, of course, ng Team RM family. So ngayon, GM Ron, di ba? Pwede akong kumita ng up to 200,000? Yes, pwede. Retailing, online selling, and wholesaling business. Ngayon, paano ka kikita? Nabanggit ko rin sa inyo, meron tayong proven system na plug and play ka na lang. Tama? What is it? The online automated system. Ang good news, i-recap lang kita, what is online automated system? Ima-market natin dito sa Pilipinas, even international. Ima-market natin yung coffee business natin. Yung kusa na yung customer na lalapit sa'yo para magkaroon siya ng, gusto niya mag-order ng bulk, gusto niya maging partner natin, gusto niya mag-order ng pa isa-isang box, i-automate natin yung business para kumita ka katulad namin. Ulitin ko, it's a free setup for you kasi part ka ng Team RM family. Okay? And ano pa? Ako ngayon pa lang, sino ba magse-setup nito? Si GM Ran ba? Hindi po ako. Sino? Yung mga team leader ng bawat sub-team natin. Kaya ngayon pa lang, gusto kita i-congratulate at magpasalamat po tayo sa mga team leader ng bawat team natin kung nasaan ka. So ngayon, guys, to be honest, dito po sa Coffee But Better, I'm here to guide you. Nandito ako para mag-training sa inyo, pero yung magiging hands-on, yung talagang tututok talaga sa iyo, coach, alam mo sino? Yun yung team leader. Yun yung team leader ng bawat sub-team sa loob ng Team RM. Ganito po yan, may Team RM, family, and merong mga sub-team yung sa loob ng Team RM kasi masyadong malaki na yung team natin kasi ang daming talagang kumikita. So may mga leaders tayo. So ngayon pa lang, coach, gusto ko magpasalamat ka na sa team leader mo kasi totoo, kaya ang daming kumikita because of them. Napaka hands-on po niyan. So kung hindi mo pa alam, kung hindi mo pa kilala sino team leader mo, tanungin mo na kagad dun sa sponsor mo sino yung team leader mo kasi siya yung tutulong sa'yo dito. Day by day, week by week, monthly, siya yung tutulong sa'yo dito sa negosyo para kumita ka lalo. Okay? Ayan po yung mga kumita sa online automated. Imagine, coach, ikaw yung nandyan. Yung picture mo yung nandyan. Ikaw yung may hawak ng cheque ng 200, 500,000, 400,000. Paano ko nasabi to talagang working? Para lang alam nyo, coach, for the past 4 years, ito na lang po yung hanap buhay namin ng partner ko sa buhay. 4 years straight, wala nang iba. Yung garments business ko, kinalimutan ko na, hindi ko na pinapatakbo yan. Ito na lang pong negosyo natin. Imagine, August 8 yan, 2024. Yung kay Mrs. niya hindi pa updated. Magkano na yung combined income namin? 94.5 million pesos na yung kinita namin dalawa in 4 years. Paano nangyari yan? Sir Ran, sabi mo 200,000. Coach, yung online automated kasi, habang tumatagal ka, habang na ma-master mo yung online automated tsaka yung wholesaling system natin, lumalaki din yung income mo. Hindi ko sinasabi na 1 buwan, 2 buwan, 1 taon kikita ka ng ganyan. No. Ang sinasabi ko sa iyo ngayon, coach, pwedeng mangyari sa iyo to kapag ginawa mo rin yung online automated system, kapag inaral mo. Kasi ako, inaral ko, ganyan nangyari. Tinuro ko kay Coach Alex and kay Coach Fritzy. Kumita ng almost 15 million. Kay Coach Shuer Abangon, former delivery rider, kumita na yan ng 10 plus million pesos. So meaning, guys, Coach, effective working yung automated system. Ano pa? Former seafarer, full-time engineer, 4.7 and 4.1. Nasa Singapore pa si Coach Josephine Marasigan, tita namin ni VP. Russell Dazo, former waiter. Christina Co, businesswoman. Total magkano? 4 million pesos. Jerome Ang, mag-asawa. Jemary Ang, kumita almost 3 million pesos. Robert Gonzalez, former Grab driver, 5 years, 4.7 million. Mark Henson Tio, businessman, 4 million. Imagine, coach, ikaw ang kumikita ng ganyan through our system. Di ba ang sarap? Bakit ko to pinapakita sa inyo? Sa'yo, lalo na sa'yo. Effective and working, kaya kailangan mo tong malaman. Okay na, magkakaroon ka ng coffee shop, magre-retail ka ng mga produkto natin, mag-online selling ka. Pero itong online automated system, kailangan mo tong malaman din. Bakit? Wala ka naman babayaran na dagdag. Pwede mo tong yung capital mo, yun na yun. Yun na yung capital mo. Ito, idadagdag mo lang sa gagawin mo. Bonus ba? Kumbaga sa trabaho, mayroon kang monthly salary. Ito, 13-month mo to sa amin. O, di ba? Ang ganda. Ayan pa, John Raymond Manalastas, former telecom engineer, 2 million pesos. Former Yaya Shea de la Vega, 2 million pesos. Juan Ronelio Halili, 3 million pesos. Janet Mandiola, Finance and Administrative Officer, almost 700,000. Pastry chef sa Dubai, almost 1.6 million. Effective coach. Ngayon, ang tanong, gusto mo ba itong malaman? Gusto mo ba itong malaman? Kung gusto mong malaman to, meron kaming nakareding game plan for you na pwede kang kumita ng 6 digits to 7 digits monthly katulad namin. Okay. Ngayon, isa lang gagawin mo. If gusto mo rin malaman tong the game plan natin, kontakin mo yung team leader mo kasi siya ang magtuturo ng the game plan natin for you. Ulitin ko, yung team leader mo ang magtuturo ng game plan for you para kumita ka rin katulad namin. Always remember guys, it's easy, it's simple, it's coffee but better with Team RM system. Yun yung pinaka-bonus. Kaya kikita ka dito sa negosyo. May Team RM system. So, coach, yan, napakinggan mo na yung next step natin dito sa Coffee But Better. Once again, gusto kitang i-congratulate and i-welcome dito sa family ng Team RM. And always remember also na lahat ng kailangan mo dito sa negosyo, kasama mo si GM Ran, kasama mo yung mga team leader natin, kasama mo yung buong Team RM family na tutulong at mag-guide sa'yo. So, yun talaga yung main goal ko, pakitain ka. Pakitain ko kayong lahat. Whatever na hanggang kaya ko na maituro, lahat ng yan gagawin ko kasi ulitin ko, nung nagsisimula ako, nandyan din ako sa kalagayan mo na naghahanap ng pwedeng pagkakitaan, natagpuan ko to, hindi rin ako marunong, paano, nakinig lang ako sa may mga taong may resulta, sa taong nakagawa na, and here I am right now. I'm giving back kung ano yung ginawa sa akin na nagturo sa akin, which is si VP. I'm giving back to you na it's your time naman, na kayo naman ang mag-benefit, kayo naman yung maturuan ko. Basta coach, isa lang yung magiging attitude mo sa amin. You are always willing to learn. Yun lang. Before I end this one, willing to learn ka lang sa amin na kung ano yung ituturo namin sa'yo. Makinig kang mabuti dahil wala naman kami ituturo na hindi maganda. Kasi ang gusto lang naman talaga namin is kumita ka. So with that coach, always stay humble and always be grateful and magpasalamat tayo parating nasa itaas dahil nagsama-sama tayo dito sa coffee business natin. And once again, God bless and welcome to our Team RM family. Congratulations coach. See you sa next training.